Hey, it's Mike here at AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at the DV8 Fenders. DV8 Fenders are available for both JK and JL model Wranglers, and they're a completely bolt-on style design. It doesn't require any drilling. Now these are made out of solid steel, and they come completely powder coated with a 3-stage powder coat for the best durability. Now this particular style here is their slim set. They also have an armor style of fender flare, which is a bit more angled, and then also their wide style fender flares, which is also a flat top, but a bit wider for those wide tires. Now they come included with an integrated LED turn signal that can be wired into the factory wiring, and they of course come as a set of front and rear. That way everything's matching. These are a great set to give you the best clearance and a stronger fender from factory for your Jeep.